Hey, welcome back to my channel. Van here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to take you along for the ride and make a brand new recipe from scratch. Not just any recipe, it's going to be California inspired teriyaki beef jerky recipe. We're going to make the teriyaki recipe from scratch. Are you ready? Let's do this. So I've got this thin sliced meat that I picked up from Walmart. We're going to go ahead and separate this up into individual slices. So we're thinking about California state inspired teriyaki recipe. I didn't want to use store-bought teriyaki sauce. I want to make my own teriyaki recipe from scratch. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing you're going to need is just the basic ingredients. We're going to start off with a half a cup of soy sauce. Now for the sweet thickness that soy sauce has, we're going to add in here 1/4 of a cup of dark brown sugar. For some more, a little bit of sweetness here, we're going to add right about 2 tablespoons of honey. That's probably 1. And that's probably your 2 right there. Now for some of that good Asian flavor, we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, which would be 2 2/4 teaspoons. Can't forget ground ginger. We've got to add some ground ginger to it. We're going to add a teaspoon of ground ginger. Now for some acidity, we need to add a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Let's go with another 1/2 tablespoon. There we go. Need to put some toasted sesame oil in here. 1 tablespoon should do it. Wow. Yeah, that should do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're going to go ahead and hook this up in our mixer and see what we got. See if we need to add anything else to it. Let's see. Yeah, that needs some lemon juice or something in there, a little more acidity. That rice vinegar wasn't enough. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I still think it needs something. What about some hot sauce? Yeah, this thing needs, well, we're going to have to take this top off this. Yeah, this thing needs a little bit of kicking up here. Put 2 tablespoons. Let's mix it up, see what we got. Now we're getting somewhere. I still think it needs something to kick it up a notch, so we're going to put some red pepper flakes in there and see what happens. What do you think? A teaspoon maybe? Yeah, let's put a heaping mound of little teaspoon. Ooh-wee. Yeah, a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I think it needs some spice to it though, a little more spice. Let's put a teaspoon. No, let's go with a half a teaspoon. So that's 1/4. That's a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I believe it needs some salt. So I've got some sea salt. We're going to add about the same thing maybe. You know what? I'm going to stop with a 1/4 teaspoon because we don't want to over salt this. Let's try it and see what it tastes like. Try it. Now we're on to something. That's a really good teriyaki mixture right there. So let's get this added into some meat. I found something that I want to add to it. When I was putting my stuff up, some accent. I don't think I want to add much to it. Maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. You can't go wrong with accent, especially if we're going to be making an Asian concoction here. So I'm just going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. Dump that right in there. I want to make sure that this sauce coats every single piece of beef, so I'm going to toss it in this vacuum marinade tumbler because I want the meat to be really marinated, and 15 minutes in this is like 24 hours. Now it's been marinating for 15 minutes, it's time to get it on the dehydrator at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll come out and check on it in 2.5 hours and everything will pretty much be off in 3 hours since we're using the stir-fry meat. All right, our jerky is done and it is looking amazing. Teriyaki sauce has infused every piece of this jerky. So there you have it, folks. California-inspired beef jerky with a homemade teriyaki sauce. Hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did making it. Make sure to give it a try and let me know in the comments section how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes just like this. Until next time, small batch beef jerky, one batch at a time. Yeah.